All right, let's get you set up with the only sports Kodi built. It's super simple. If you want a go-to spot for sports, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So what's a build? Basically, it's a total makeover for your Kodi. Everything's prepackaged. Okay, first things first. You have got to enable unknown sources in your settings. From the Kodi home screen, just hit that little settings gear icon to get started. Once you're in settings, look for the File Manager folder and give that a click. Okay, now you're going to click Add Source. We just need to tell Kodi where to look. You'll see a window pop up. Just click on the part that says None. Now this part is super important. Type this address in exactly as you see it. Go ahead and name it the 666 Mafia. It'll make sense in a minute. Now hit OK. Perfect. Now head back to the home screen and click on Add-ons from the menu. Look for that little open box icon in the top left. That's the add-on browser. From this menu, you're going to go ahead and choose Install from Zip File. See? There's the name we just gave it. Go ahead and click on the 666 Mafia. Now just click the zip file. Don't worry if your version number looks a little different. Wait for that little notification pop-up. Once you see it, click Install from Repository. Okay, now find and select the 666 Mafia repository from your list of options. From here, you're going to want to go right into the Program Add-ons category. Look for the 666 Mafia GUI wizard in the list, and then go ahead and select it. This one's easy. Just hit that Install button right at the bottom of the screen. You'll get a pop-up, just hit Continue, and then on the next one, choose Build menu. All right, here's the list of builds. Find and click on the Only Sports build. I always recommend going for the Fresh Install, then just hit Yes Install to confirm. Now it's just going to download and install everything. When it's done, click OK and Kodi will close. And that's it. Just reopen Kodi, let it update for a moment, and enjoy.